Hi, I'm Paula Pascual from Tonic Studios, and today I'm going to show you the first on the series of how to use the Nuvo expanding mousse. So you can use your stencils to put the expanding mousse through. You can use paper or card or even material or something like wood. Place it over the top and choose whatever color you want to use, and use a spatula to apply it through the stencil. You can just use bits and pieces from the stencil, or you can just go through the whole stencil and cover the whole area. You can go over, but I recommend to go into one direction, so from the top to the bottom, and you can just put some more if you need to over it, and there you go. Now you can put the excess back into the pot. Clean your spatula before you are going to use another color. And I'm gonna go now for the worn linen. And you can see how you can mix them a little bit onto the project, or you can create your unique custom blends by mixing them aside. Make sure that you put the lid back on because it is water-based. And then lift the stencil, and there you have got the beautiful pattern through it. If you let it air dry, it will dry exactly as it is with that beautiful luster and texture. However, if you want to bring out more texture, use your heat gun to expand it. And you can see the amazing texture of it. You can see it how it has expanded and also created that beautiful kind of texture into it. Also, what I love about the heat is that it makes it a little bit more of a vintage shine rather than a high shine that if you air dry it. If you want to bring out the highlights of the texture one, you can go in with the same color and use one of the brushes, stipple it over it to create a little bit more of that effect, of that luster in there. There are many different ways of using the Nuvo expanding mousse, and this is just one of them. So once you have it like this, you can then die cut it and incorporate it into your projects if you want it, because it's lightweight, so therefore it will die cut beautifully. For more video tutorials like this one, visit the Tonic website.